Mind Over Markets welcomes you. Have you ever sat alone, staring at a chart, watching numbers dance, and wondered, is this the right path for me? Trading starts with a choice. Sometimes that choice is forced on you, like blowing an account in minutes due to overtrading, or after a big win that leaves you empty, staring at your screen and asking, if this were my main income, what's next? That moment, that question, is where everything changes. Trading as a side hustle? It's like an undefined relationship, half-hearted, fleeting. You might spend hours learning, reading, trading, but feel stuck, looping in frustration, neither moving forward nor back. I've been there, breaching a stop loss and wiping out my account. A news shock erases a week's effort. The helpless feeling of looking back, realizing you're standing still in a fog of disappointment. Those moments, small as they seem, can break you or redefine you. You realize treating trading like a side hustle only brings side hustle results. Fleeting, incomplete, uncommitted. One quiet evening, no charts, no signals, just you and a mirror. The question hits, what do I really want? Is trading my path or just a temporary escape? That's when you step out of your comfort zone. You stop trading when you're bored or moody. You wake up early for news, spend weekends backtesting, and keep a journal, not just of trades, but of your emotions, your reasons, your lessons. Every action becomes intentional. Trading isn't a side gig anymore. It's part of your life, steady and resolute. To make trading sustain you, you must live it responsibly, not with impulsive passion, but with discipline. You see your flaws. You're swayed by emotions, trading on gut instead of signals, lacking a clear plan. You stop blaming gold prices, the Fed, or mistimed news. Instead, you ask, did I do this right? Do I understand the market? Am I respecting my risk management? The market is cold, fair. It punishes arrogance and rewards patience. Losses, they're not the market's fault. They're gaps in your knowledge. Wins, they might just be lucky. And if you don't learn from them, the market will take it all back with interest. When trading becomes your path, you pay a price. You skip gatherings, decline trips because the market's volatile. You sit alone while friends party, waiting for a price confirmation. You feel the sting of a loss from unexpected news, the exhaustion of a week with no good setups. But you wait, because rash moves kill progress. This is the journey's cost, but it's also where growth begins. You stop chasing 5x trades, realizing trading isn't a get, rich, quick game. It's a psychological battle where you face greed, fear, and chaos daily, and learn to stay calm. Your biggest enemy? Your emotions. You used to trade on feelings, a hunch of a reversal, a bad vibe, doubling down to recover a loss, calling it intuition. But that's just wishful thinking in disguise. When trading is your life, discipline becomes your compass. You build a system, clear entry and exit points, stop, losses, profit targets. You track setups, cut distractions, aim for consistent gains, and accept small losses. Discipline isn't about fear, it's about respecting your system. 3 losses in a row. You don't collapse, you review, adjust, and move on. Emotions linger, but they don't control you. That's the leap that changes everything. Trading, when it's no longer a side hustle, is like standing between two worlds, one of dreamed freedom, the other of harsh reality. Discipline is your bridge. Give up, and you fall into doubt. Persist, and you arrive. Not fast, but surely. It's forged in moments you want to break rules but hold firm, in mornings after the market humbles you. You realize now, success isn't a magical strategy. It's about repeating simple, disciplined actions, like a farmer tilling fields. Success in trading, it's not about genius. It's about not shooting yourself in the foot again and again. One day, you'll look back and smile, not because you're rich, but because you've become a stronger, wiser version of yourself. Trading isn't just about money, it's about finding yourself in every click, every trade, every moment you master your emotions. Are you ready to cross that lonely terrain, to face the quiet behind the screen and find a stronger you? Trading is a journey, not a destination. If this spoke to you, if you felt even a fraction of this journey, like, share, and subscribe. Not for the algorithm, but so more traders find the strength to keep going, to stay steady, and to choose the path of growth. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one, where we go deeper into capital management, emotions, and patience. Until then, stay disciplined.